suction is pretty strong, but airflow is kind of lacking. So I am running a bag in this thing. But this is just the passenger side floorboard. And this minivan doesn't get driven all that much, so there's not a ton, but I'd say it did a pretty good job. Not much more you can ask for, something that just gets the job done and gets your car clean and vacuumed. And I don't think you can go wrong with a Rigid. So yeah, that's the first use and first test. I'm gonna have to finish this. I mean, this is, like I said, this is a minivan. It's a large vehicle, so I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but yeah, that is the first official use after I've had it for 3 months now, 2 months. It's just been so cold here. I haven't really had much of a purpose to use it yet, so, but I'm sure I'll feature it more in future videos to come. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.